I recently went on my baby moon to Cancun to the Cancun Vista Golf and Spa Resort. It is a 5-star hotel, and I travel a lot. I only do reviews of places that I enjoyed and would return to, and this isn't sponsored, so this is just my genuine opinion. And of course, it's Mexico, so it's an all-inclusive resort. These are kind of in a random order, but we're going to start with the cafe. I got coffee here every morning, and we would get a croissant or a donut. So very good, and they also had gelato. This is the food hall where you could get food at any point in time in the afternoon. So we would get like tacos or they had sushi. I can't eat that because it's my baby moon, or burgers. And then this is a good look at the kids' play place as well. It was pretty quiet while we were there. There wasn't very many families because we were there in the end of September. So kind of a weird time. That was a fun little bar area for the adults. And of course, it's on a golf course, so it overlooks the golf course. And this is just a good video of the pool around 4 or 5 o'clock. I was surprised at how fast the sun sets, but it was nice. And then they also have this beachy area. It was always really quiet. We were able to go down and easily get chairs every single time. And there's my virgin pina colada. Loved it. They'll come around, ask for your drinks. And it's probably, we were there in a slower season. So if you have the opportunity to go in a slower season, then I'd recommend it. This is right by the gym, and there was a wedding that actually took place there. So that would be epic if you were looking for a wedding destination, because that view is just gorgeous. So as we go in the doors, this is the area down to the left where you go into the spa. They also had like all your cosmetology services there. I didn't utilize any of those just because I have massage people and all my cosmetology people I love at home. So I just wanted to spend time with my partner. This is the gym. We were so excited to be able to just go to the gym every single day and have time to do so. And it is really well taken care of. They come down and wipe down the machines constantly. I walked on this treadmill because I'm trying to get 10,000 steps a day in this pregnancy. So I would walk numerous times a day, and it was great. And just that view over the ocean and the golf course was so nice. And then I'd watch people do like their putting at the end of the day. It was kind of fun. Anyways, this is a show area because they do have different performances depending on the night. Lots of hangout areas. We were tired because, once again, pregnancy, so we never went to any of the shows. But it's just peaceful at night there, and you can hang out in those little seating areas, look over the ocean. You also have the option to swim in the pool at night, which was nice because I feel like a lot of places close the pool after a certain time. But as long as you were quiet, you could go in the pool, I think as late as you wanted. Okay, so from the pool area, that is the buffet, and I'm going to show you videos of that in a little bit. So you can always go to the buffet for dinner, no matter what, if you haven't made a reservation at one of the restaurants. And the restaurants are along that section there. Because it was a slower time of year, they rotate which ones are open, but we were able to go to a different one each night. I think when they're in the busy season, they're probably open every single night. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can just make the reservations through the app on your phone, which is super nice. Okay, this is a look at the buffet area. This is at breakfast time. We never booked one of the restaurants for breakfast because we didn't know what time we were going to get up. You can do your traditional, like having an omelet made. They had yogurt, cereal, eggs, toast, bacon, all those things. So loved the breakfast every morning. This is a look at a room. I should have done it while it was clean one day, but I remembered to take a video as we were checking out. You've got a nice big bathroom with a huge shower, looks into the bedroom. The cleaning stuff was great. They turn your room over several different times throughout the day, which is always appreciated. And they gave us a ton of pillows so I could be comfortable sleeping without my pregnancy pillows. You do have a coffee maker there, and they restock your little mini fridge with beer and soda, which is also nice. And then the view is great. I love that they have balconies on all of them, and you can just look over this area. I do really like that this hotel is not on the hotel alley with the beach, and so it was just a quieter, more peaceful area, which is what we were going for. We're not in the party mode right now. We are in the rest, relax, and sleep mode. And one more thing I wanted to show you was a screen recording of the app, which is super nice. You just log in with your stay information, and this is how you reserve the restaurants for dinner. You just select what time, how many people, and you can go on and you can do different spa reservations, things like that. I will say the buffet food was like, I mean, it was fine, but the restaurant food was really, really good. So it was fun doing a different restaurant every night. You can book activities, excursions, spas, all sorts of stuff like that. We didn't do any of that. We just wanted to lay around. And you can even book your transportation to and from the airport with that, which is just nice because that's always something that I don't really want to worry about. So if you are looking for a place in Cancun or you're even looking for a good baby moon destination, I definitely would recommend it. The staff was awesome. This was one last look at a sunset, our last evening. So enjoy.